Here's a quick video showing you how to replace the power cord on the D2 or D Rainbow. So just flip it over. There's going to be 2 screws here. So take those 2 screws out. This plastic is kind of brittle, so it can break. So just be careful taking that out. There's going to be 2 more, these 2 terminals are going to have screws. They're going to be connected to the switch. Just take a flat screwdriver and take those out. Then here in the back, this is a 9/16 wrench to take that nut off. Just unscrew it, take those off. And at this point, you're going to see that this type of cord clip is actually underneath where the switch is. So you really have to unscrew that to loosen this up. So then that way you can kind of push that back a little bit, and then you can spin this clip out of the way and then pull it and take it off. When you put it back on, you're going to want to, you don't want to mount this yet. You want to spin this under and actually spin that into place first. It's can be very difficult to get it into position, but you want to spin it around and get it into position first, and then push your switch out to put your nut on. And what that does is that keeps pressure on that clip to hold it in place. So but just push it out, spin that little tab or the cord holder, pull that off. So then from here, you're gonna have 4 screws up in the top to take the cap off. Take those 4 screws, flip it over, take a flat screwdriver, just get underneath your housing, just gently pop those up, you'll pull it off. And here, your ground cord is gonna have a terminal on it, and it's gonna be screwed into your main housing, or there's other type of motors where it might be up here in the fan. So it's going to be one of those 2 spots. You're going to have a little cord. Basically, it's a wire grommet that you just take a flat screwdriver. Actually, let me get one here and get down in here and hook underneath of it and pop it out. So then basically all it is just a little wire grommet that really just wraps around. So when you put it back in, when you get your new wires pulled through and put in place, you just wrap that around all the cords and shove it into the housing. So, but that's basically it. If you have any questions, let us know. But that's the replacement of the main power cord.